Okay, so there's a Google document, Tips for Finding Your Target Audience Online. It's in theguyrcookreport.podbean.com. Take a look at that and you'll see what I'm saying. Number one is leverage social media insights. Focus on platforms where your audience is most active. That means find out who your audience is, your ideal customer, and then use the built-in analytics on platforms like Facebook and Twitter and Instagram to find out what's hot and what's not. Pick the best of the rest and put your energy into that, okay? Tailor your content to that ideal customer. You've got those people engaged, they become evangelists for your brand, and that's when you want to take the time to make them happen, okay? Send a message that will engage, entertain, and hopefully convert them. The Facebook groups have got a leg up maybe in that they've got demographics nailed down pretty well. You can also use tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify terms and phrases that your audience, your ideal customers are using. So then you can optimize your content with those keywords that work to improve your search engine rankings, increase your visibility, and that increase in visibility will enhance the awareness and hopefully convert. This is also going to work for you in email marketing. By knowing your target audience, you can then send email addresses that will convert to people that are liking your product, your service, rather than doing the test and hope for the best. So, finding your target audience online is an ongoing process. Don't think that you've done it once, you've got it, oh, I know who the ideal customer is, because it's going to change. Okay? So keep your finger on the pulse of that ideal customer and constantly analyze, adapt, and engage based on the real-time data and insights that you get from online. Remember, the internet is the most monitored medium ever. That's right, the most monitored ever. You get more stats, more ways from the internet than any other of the big advertising venues that are available to you. And lastly, it's important to build trust and establish yourself as a helpful and valuable resource within your niche, your industry. And hopefully that's why you're listening.